Okay, we are standing in the brand new model of our Jayco. So this is a Jayco Northpoint 377 RLBH. This is the same model that we have. But man, they've done some really cool upgrades. And so I wanted to show you some of the upgrades that they've done. So one of the things is that the body of the RV is, I believe, 10 inches wider than ours. So 10 inches doesn't sound like much, but you can tell it's a lot, it makes a lot of a difference. So it feels roomier. One of the things that they have also done is this counter, the kitchen counter is taller. And then this, we have a wooden cutting, butcher block cutting board type extension on ours. This is an extension of the countertop, which I really like this. This is actually one of the things that I have tried to talk Kevin into doing, is redoing our countertop. But as you can imagine, that wasn't really top of his priority list, and for a good reason. So I really like that they brought the countertop all the way out, because for us, we use this part a lot. So now that these countertops are so much higher though, it adds more storage up underneath. So where we just have the one cabinet door and one place to store things, now there are two. Two here. They've also put in a cutting board here in this drawer, and it has the slots because, I'll show you, the trash can is underneath. So in theory, when you pull this out, your scraps would go into your trash can. You can just rake them in there. So that's kind of cool. Again, still the 4-burner, really nice oven, which, as you all know, is something we use a lot and we really like. I think that was the main. Oh, here's something. So one of the things we've talked about in the upgrades we made in ours is that these cabinets weren't very useful because they were really tall. And so we added a shelf down the middle of ours to make it better for storage, and look what they've done. There's a shelf. So that was cool. Let's go into the bunk room. They've done some things in there. Turn the lights on. Okay, so you know we've done lots of reconfiguring in our bunk room, but one of the things that we've done is we did the big cutout in ours to expose the bathroom shelves to let the girls have more space. And look, they've added that in. And this is actually quite a bit wider than what ours is. But then you still keep the drawers as well. So that part is nice. The desk setup has stayed a lot the same as what ours was. This is another change. So this cabinet in ours goes all the way through and only has one door. Oh, these are sticky. So this does not go all the way through, but it's still a deep enough cabinet for good storage. So we'll look at the other side of the cabinet. So this is the other side of the cabinet. You can see it has these shelves that come down that you can use it like a coat closet or something with shelves. All right, let's go up this way. The lofts stay pretty much the same. Okay, the bathroom. Now those extra 10 inches I talked about, you can really feel them in the shower. The shower is wider than ours is. I like the doors, new handle. But one of the things they've done is bring back the medicine cabinet, which is really nice. Between the medicine cabinet and the way this cabinet is built out, so we have no drawers. And so this is amazing to have the drawers along with the cabinet. One more thing that they listened to Jayco owners about is they put a door back on these shelves. So we have these as well, but ours is exposed. So it's really nice to be able to cover up your junk. Okay, you may be asking yourself, wonder if they would buy that unit again. Yep, we would. You know, it's interesting because most of the changes they made are things that we've done in our RV too. And so we love what they've done. We'll always love this unit. And yeah, we'd probably buy it again.